planets
Master
or
Chief
millions of
has
galaxies
a special device
between
within
us
his suit
and them.
that
If
is
life was
jacking him
discovered
off.
elsewhere in the solar
It's a bit
system,
like
perhaps beneath the
Schrodinger's
frozen
cat,
mantle of
but
Europa,
it is
we'd be able to compare and
Schrodinger's
contrast two
on a
distinct
whole.
sources of life and gain crucial insight
We'll
into
never
its
know.
commonality or rarity. Many reject the anthropocentric
you to
view of
decide.
Earth as a cosmological oddity due to the sheer
Some
number of
mysteries
Earth-like planets
are better
coupled
left
with the
unsolved.
resilience of life on Earth. But the truth is, we don't know. We don't know if billions of planets is sufficient
You
for
decide
intelligence
yes?
to arise more
That's
than
very
once.
brave of you.
We don't know the
A
prerequisites
lot of people want to
for
censor you.
abiogenesis
They
want
want to tell you
from non-life to
that
life.
what you think
We
is
don't know
wrong.
the probability
They
of
want to
cosmic
hide the
solitude.
truth.
But to
And I'm
conclude
telling you
that
today,
we are alone in the
Master
face
Chief
of all this ignorance
does have a
is more
suit
than a
that
bit
jacks him off. He
presumptuous. The
does!
extent of
I
our
believe
search
it!
for extraterrestrial
And
intelligence
just watch,
has been
my
compared
stream is gonna
searching
start
a glass of
buffering.
water for evidence
It's
of
gonna
fish
start
in
crackling and
oceans.
buffering. I'm gonna start
Space
dropping
is
frames because you know what? The
unimaginably
government is
vast,
going
and
to
we have
intercept
barely
this
begun to scratch
broadcast,
the surface.
and they're going to try to
There are
censor it.
so many untapped avenues
Because
for
they know,
detecting
they don't
signs
want
of
that,
life.
they don't want the
But if we
information to
just
get out. They
turned
don't want
that
people to know
telescope
that
a
Master
bit to
Chief
the left
has a
and made it a
suit
bit
that jacks him
larger
off.
and listen to a slightly different range of frequencies, perhaps the universe wouldn't be so silent.
That's the sound of me snoring. Seductress? You know how they say that a thunderstorm is like God going bowling? That always comforted me a little because I was really scared of thunderstorms. I Jack the Stripper. What? That always comforted me. So like those sounds from deep space, the wub wub wub, that's just me having a nap. I'm just floating around in space like cars from Joseph's Bizarre Adventure, and I'm going. It's just me having a little sleep.